Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 not turning on. So as you can see that currently I'm on community.acer.com and this person asked the same question. Basically he tried different methods but his laptop isn't turning on. So let's just try to find out what other people are saying about the solution. So this person written a very big article over here. So you just have to simply follow the instructions that he gave in order to fix your error. Like first you need to turn off the laptop and disconnect or unplug the charger cable device or any other cables connected to your laptop. Then you need to close your laptop and turn it upside down. Open the bottom of the laptop and you can find a pinhole. It is tiny hole, so you can find a battery symbol indicator next to the hole. It's like a plus and minus sign symbol, as though somebody is trying to shift the battery out. So insert the pin on the hole for 30 seconds and remove the pin. Flip the laptop, connect the charger cable and turn on your computer. Only on laptops where the battery is inbuilt, you can find the battery reset hole on the back of laptop. If you don't find a pinhole on the back of the laptop, then you might be using removable battery. So you just have to simply try to remove your battery and you just have to simply add it again in your computer and try to restart your computer. If you don't see a reset pinhole on the back of the laptop, if you are not able to remove the battery, then please unplug all the cables and devices out of laptop and hold the power button for 1 minute. After releasing the power button, you should wait for a while before plugging in power. Just because the button has been pressed doesn't bleed off the residual electricity on the motherboard. So you can follow these instructions that this person gave, and in my opinion these instructions are quite helpful. So you just have to follow these in order to fix your issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.